Hello guys and welcome back to Baby Learning. In our previous video, we discussed the first obstacle that faces language learners, which is frustration. We said that you can overcome frustration simply by not overwhelming yourself and by taking the learning process step by step. You can take small doses of the language at the beginning and then you can try to make the dose a bit bigger. You can watch the full video by clicking on the card showing above or by going to the playlist Language Learners Tips. Today we are going to carry on with our inevitable obstacles to language learning and we are going to discuss lack of purpose. Let's go. Hit the subscribe button and turn the notifications on to keep updated on new videos. While most obstacles can simply be cured through simple solutions, lack of interest can only start from you, and it's just you. If you don't have the interest or the desire to learn a language, no amount of time, no money, no strategy can get you to the next level. Understanding why you are learning a language can help you set your goals. You can ask yourself questions like, what opportunities will become available by speaking this language? What would I do if I could speak English fluently right now? How will I feel after reaching fluency? Connection. Perhaps we could have a deeper connection with a friend or family member who knows that language. Advance your career. You could get a raise at your current job or open yourself up to new and amazing career opportunities with that language. See the world. You can finally travel around the world with ease and comfort, creating deep connections with new people you meet. It can also be as simple as just learning the language to be able to watch your favorite TV show or movie without the need to subtitles. Whatever your goal may be, make sure it excites you. That's all for now. I hope it was helpful for you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll catch you later.